Unraveling the phrase, cough up, a guide to English idioms. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a commonly used phrase in English, cough up. This idiom can be a bit tricky for English learners, as its meaning isn't immediately clear from the words themselves. Stay tuned as we explore its meanings and usage. The phrase, cough up, often confuses learners because it doesn't involve actual coughing. In English, cough up is an idiom, meaning its interpretation isn't literal. Generally, it refers to reluctantly giving something, often money. For example, he finally coughed up the money he owed me. It implies a sense of unwillingness or difficulty in giving what is due. Exploring the origin of idioms can sometimes help us understand them better. Cough up likely comes from the idea of expelling something from deep within, just like when we cough up phlegm. It's a metaphor for bringing something to the surface, albeit reluctantly. Let's see cough up in action. 1. Monetary context. The company had to cough up a hefty fine for illegal practices. Here, it's about paying money, probably unwillingly. 2. Non-monetary context. After much persuasion, he coughed up the secret. This demonstrates that the phrase isn't always about money, but can involve revealing information reluctantly. In English, there are phrases with similar meanings. Fork over also implies giving something, usually money, reluctantly. Shell out suggests paying an amount, often more than one would like. Recognizing these variations can enrich your understanding and use of English idioms. Cough up is a vivid expression in English, painting a picture of reluctance and obligation. Remember, idioms like this add color to language, making it more expressive and engaging. We hope this exploration helps you understand and use cough up confidently in your conversations. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.